Hello students, today we are going to discuss about NCERT exercise problem. It's the 6th chapter, work energy power. 4th problem, class 11 physics we are going to discuss. Okay, so they are given one graph. Okay, when the spring is vibrating, okay, actually this graph is for conservation of energy. Total energy is going to be conserved. Okay, when the spring is vibrating, this kind of graph they are getting. Okay, there are 2 points just I marked. Okay, here the maximum point potential energy is 0. The spring is elongated at maximum. The potential energy is maximum, kinetic energy is 0. Okay, when the spring is at mean position, kinetic energy maximum, potential energy is 0. The total energy is conserved. Okay, in question they are given the energy, total energy is 1 joule. Okay, so potential energy, the potential energy is going to be half kx square. They asked what is the maximum compression, maximum expansion going to be done by using of this spring. Okay, friction force is directly proportional to displacement. Okay, when we are removing displacement, when we are removing directly proportional, we get spring constant. Okay, if you want work done by the spring, work done is equal to force into displacement. Okay, so force is kx. Okay, kx already now only I said force is equal to k times of x. Okay, so k times of x, integration of x dx x square by 2, potential energy this much. Okay, the total energy is given in the question 1 joules. Okay, now I'll be doing this problem. Okay, I'm taken 2 point B, point A. Point A, potential energy maximum, kinetic energy 0. Point B, potential energy 0, kinetic energy maximum. Okay, same. Kinetic energy maximum, total energy is going to be kinetic energy plus potential energy. So here potential energy is 0, there is no energy stored at the mean position. Okay, only kinetic energy is there. Kinetic energy is 1 joule is given, total energy is given as a 1 joule. At this point kinetic energy is 1 joule. Okay, now at the A point, total energy, potential energy plus kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is 0. What is the potential energy of kx square? Already told you potential energy formula. Okay, total energy at A point, total energy at B point. Okay, A point kinetic energy is 0, B point potential energy is 0. Okay, so one of the place kinetic energy will be there, one of the place potential energy will be there. Kinetic energy 1 joule I am taken plus 0. So potential energy is going to be half kx square. X only is a question mark. How much maximum expansion or compression can be done by using of this spring? Okay, half times of k value 0.5 x square. Okay, so divided by x square is equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 2 meter. Okay, that's the final answer. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.